Hey creative minds, welcome back to the channel, where we talk all things tech for artists and designers. Today, we're diving into the best tablets for Procreate in 2025. Whether you're a pro artist or just getting started, these tablets are designed to bring your imagination to life. Let's kick it off with a heavy hitter, the Apple iPad Pro 13-inch M4. Kicking things off, we have the powerhouse itself, the Apple iPad Pro 13-inch M4. This isn't just a tablet. It's like carrying a creative studio in your hands. With the Ultra Retina XDR display, every brushstroke, color gradient, and fine detail pops like never before. If you're into Procreate, this display is your canvas. And trust me, you'll feel like a digital Picasso. Powered by Apple's blazing fast M4 chip, this iPad handles everything you throw at it. Massive Procreate files, intricate layers, and those wild time-lapse creations, with zero lag. And let's not forget about the 12-megapixel front and back cameras, plus the LiDAR scanner, perfect for scanning 3D objects or capturing inspiration wherever you are. Need to work on the go? The Wi-Fi 6E connectivity ensures your cloud backups sync at lightning speed, and the all-day battery life means you can sketch from sunrise to sundown without hunting for a charger. Oh, and that sleek space black finish? It looks as professional as the art you'll create on it. If you're serious about digital art, the iPad Pro M4 isn't just a tool, it's the ultimate creative companion. Ready to bring your ideas to life? This is the tablet that'll make it happen. Next up, we've got the Apple iPad Air 13-inch M2, the perfect blend of power, portability, and precision for digital artists. This is the go-to option if you want premium performance without the Pro price tag. Its liquid retina display delivers stunning visuals with vibrant colors and razor-sharp details, giving your Procreate sketches and illustrations a professional edge. Under the hood, the M2 chip ensures smooth performance for even the most complex projects. Think multi-layered Procreate designs, high-res brushes, and exporting files. This iPad handles it all effortlessly. With 128 gigabytes of storage, there's plenty of room to stash your masterpieces. The 12-megapixel cameras on the front and back are perfect for snapping inspiration on the fly or even scanning textures to integrate into your art. Add in Wi-Fi 6E for ultra-fast connectivity, and you've got a tablet that keeps up with your creativity anywhere you go. And let's not forget Touch ID, secure, fast, and convenient for unlocking your device and making purchases. With its lightweight design and all-day battery life, the iPad Air M2 is the ultimate tool for creators who want power and portability in one sleek package. Whether you're doodling, designing, or diving into full-blown digital art projects, this iPad is ready to make your vision a reality. Coming in hot is the Apple iPad Pro 11-inch M4, a compact powerhouse that punches way above its size. The Ultra Retina XDR display ensures your Procreate designs look absolutely stunning. With colors so vivid and details so sharp, you might forget it's not a physical canvas. It's compact, but don't let that fool you. This iPad is all about delivering pro-level performance on the go. With the lightning-fast M4 chip, it eats through complex Procreate projects like they're nothing. Layer-heavy files? Intricate time-lapse recordings? No problem. It's smooth sailing. You also get 256 gigabytes of storage, which means plenty of room for all your art files, brushes, and references. The 12-megapixel front and back cameras, along with the LiDAR scanner, let you capture and integrate real-world textures or 3D inspirations into your art seamlessly. Plus, the Wi-Fi 6E ensures quick cloud backups, and Face ID keeps your tablet secure while being easy to access. Weighing in at just over a pound, this iPad is perfect for creatives who want a portable yet powerful device. With all-day battery life, you can sketch, edit, and create wherever inspiration strikes. If you're looking for the ultimate balance of performance and portability, the iPad Pro 11-inch M4 is a solid choice. Next is the Apple iPad Mini, A17 Pro, a pint-sized powerhouse for creators who need maximum portability. Featuring an 8.3-inch liquid retina display, this compact tablet delivers sharp details and vibrant colors. making it perfect for Procreate sketches, quick edits, or brainstorming on the go. Under the hood, the A17 Pro chip ensures smooth performance, easily handling multiple layers and high-res brushes in Procreate without breaking a sweat. With 128 gigabytes of storage, you'll have plenty of room for your digital creations and artistic tools. The 12-megapixel front and back cameras are great for snapping inspiration or scanning references, while Wi-Fi 6E keeps you connected at top speeds for syncing files or downloading assets. Touch ID offers secure access with just a tap, making it easy to jump right back into your creative flow. Weighing in as one of the most portable options, the iPad mini packs all-day battery life, so you can draw, edit, and create wherever you are. For artists who value a lightweight, ultra-compact device that doesn't skimp on performance, the iPad mini, A17 Pro, is a fantastic choice. Rounding out our list is the Apple iPad, 10th generation, an accessible and stylish option for digital creatives. With its 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display, your Procreate projects will pop with vibrant colors and clear details, making it an excellent canvas for beginner and intermediate artists alike. Powered by the A14 Bionic chip, this iPad offers solid performance for sketching, painting, and editing without breaking the bank. While it's not as powerhouse heavy as the Pro or Air models, it handles multi-layer Procreate files and high-resolution brushes like a champ. The 64 gigabytes of storage is perfect for those who like to keep things minimal and organized. Both the 12-megapixel front and back cameras let you capture inspiration or scan textures for your designs. And thanks to Wi-Fi 6, staying connected and backing up your work is quick and easy. Touch ID ensures secure access while keeping things simple and intuitive. Finished in a stunning pink color, this iPad adds a fun, personal touch to your tech setup. With its lightweight build and all-day battery life, it's perfect for those just stepping into the world of digital art or anyone who wants a portable option to create on the go.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.